are the Falcons de Villanova, and what we have here is what I believe is called a Cipira. Construction with 3 people in each level. Villanova dove si party con il Sicuro, la festa per una scuola inclusiva. And the students performing here in the Plaza de las Artes are the Falcons de Villanova, here in front of us. There the construction was crowned. See how it's being dismantled, and what we'll have remaining in the middle is a pilar of 3 levels. That is no construction which is also used by the human tower builders, the Castellers, which are in fact the other people here. Well, look at this, no hand at the base of the pilar. Truly beautiful. These are the Falcons de Villanova. And on the other side, the Burgas de Villanova. In Villanova, level 2, Paradise, Catalonia, 2011.